Hello, today we'll be unboxing the JBL Live 770 headphones. So let's get right into it. I already had the box ready to go. Make this a little easier. So when you first get it, it's gonna be wrapped right in this little plastic. You can just go ahead and rip that off real quick. So here it is, adaptive noise canceling, the good microphone, 65 hours of battery life. They are wireless. There's some more specifications on it, and it can connect and all that stuff. All right, now that we got that done, there's just a little seal of a piece of tape on the bottom to open it up. I went ahead and cut it out just real quick so to make it easier. So what you first get is you're gonna get your quick start guide right here. And then it's just got a bit of information on different stuff that comes with it. I'm gonna pull it out. It comes in like a paper cardboardy cover case. So it's already coming in a sealed bag, which is great because it makes it easy for transporting and everything. So here's that quick start guide with just instructions on how to work the headphones and quick things like that. And then safety information and warranty card. So when you pull it out, it comes with this. This is gonna be our little charger cable right here. So we have this cable, and then we have our actual cable, which looks to be a USB-C cable. All right, so now we're gonna get into it. I kind of curl it up just like this. So we'll just open it real quick, if I can get it to work with me. All right. So, all right, so here are the headphones now out of the bag. Left and right, and they are extendable, so you can make them longer or shorter, whichever way you need. So that is the JBL Live 770 NC headphones that are noise canceling with Bluetooth feature. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.